step by step. How to do a kettlebell sit-up to press. 1. Lie flat on your back on a mat. 2. Bend your knees about 90 degrees with feet flat on the floor. 3. Hold a kettlebell by the horns, handles, close to your chest with both hands. 4. Engage your core and keep your shoulders relaxed. Movement. 1. Inhale deeply to brace your core. 2. Exhale and perform a sit-up. Roll your spine off the mat, lifting your chest toward your thighs. 3. Once you reach the top, seated position, press the kettlebell overhead until your arms are fully extended. 4. Inhale as you lower the kettlebell back down to your chest. 5. Slowly roll down your spine back to the starting position. 6. Repeat for 8 to 12 reps x 2 to 3 sets. Keep your feet planted. Don't let them lift off the floor. Avoid arching your back during the overhead press. Keep your core tight throughout the entire movement. Use a light kettlebell until your form feels stable. And don't rush. Control both the sit-up and the press phases. And exhale on effort during the sit-up and the overhead press. Thanks for watching. Check my next video.